Good morning. So we'll be making a closure wig today. Don't forget to subscribe. So we'll be needing our 2x6 closure wig, or can call it Kimke closure. Then we'll be needing our nets and our crochet pin, a dummy head, a pin or T-pin. Then I'll be using these three combination of hair extensions. Now let's place our hair nets on our dummy head. We tie it at the back or the front to hold it firm. Then we go with our pin to pin the net to the dummy head. So to hold it very well, so to stretch it out, because you need the net to be stretched. If it's not stretched properly, your hair will be folded, and when you are done with the hair, the net will become smaller. So you need to stretch the net very well. So this is it. When you're done with that, now we sew in our closure first. So make sure you place it in the middle. That's the middle. Make sure you place it in the middle, since we want it to be a middle pattern. So make sure it's in the middle. Using our pin, we hold the net first. Then we're going to sew the closure round. Sew it round. Don't forget to knot every after every stitch. Knot it after every stitch. Now we start our braiding. So you see how many lines are picked in the knot. Don't make it surpass 2 to 3, because if you pack more of the nets, your hair will be folded. So I just picked 2. I just picked two of the nets. Now I'm trying to make a knotless like braid, so I'll start by braiding the little attachments I added first, like knotless. Then I'll start adding little attachments. So don't forget to subscribe to our page. We post everything: braids tutorial, braid styles, hairstyles, both for adults and for kids. So our page is definitely a must check. Don't forget to subscribe to it. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share if you can. Okay, so I'm trying to make like a loose braid. So while doing this crochet wig, we should always know that you shouldn't fold it very well or jam pack it. You have to give space in the middle. The place that needs filling up is the front, the back, the sides, but in the middle you have to give some gaps so your hair wouldn't be too heavy or too full. So now when we are done with the closure parts, we're going to come back to check if there's any place that have space that could show out. So to make the hair cap, I just did this hair. It took me a day and a half to make this hair because I needed to take the hair to somewhere, so I had to take all day to make this hair. Normally crochet hair takes a lot of time than normal full lace wig. Okay, so this is it. I already started my braiding. I'm doing invisible braiding. So when we're done with that, we'll come back to check where this gaps is much. So this is the part I'll be filling up right now, so that when we put the hair on our head, the net wouldn't show. So now let's do some fill up. Okay, sometimes I do forget myself while doing videos, so I forgot to post the trimming and the hot water part section. So don't forget to trim it. Then after trimming it, you put it in hot water to straighten the hair. That's our final look. The hair was showstopper. It was so beautiful. I loved the length. It wasn't so long, and a little bit of loose braid style. And the colors, I love the colors too. Okay, so it's quite simple to try out. But for those who wants to place an order, don't forget to leave a comment